Rose was hungry as she pushed
Good.
the puppet stage
Good.
through the street. Huh?
Okay, the puppy stage. Sure, puppy stage. Puppy stage. Yeah, that's a puppy stage. See? Puppy stage. Do you remember this one?
Grease.
Grease, okay. Any oily stuff is grease.
Grease. Grease.
Okay.
Nostril. Nostril. Nostril.
One of the two
Openings
of the
nose. Okay.
one of the two openings of the nose.
Okay. Basically, the hole. I think that's a nostril. That's a nostril. Okay.
Nostril. Nostril. Nostril.
Okay, can spell it.
Nostrile. Nostril.
Okay.
My left nostril is stuffed up.
Okay. Nostril. Good. Okay. Nostril. Okay. 和
Nostrils. Chill. And
Severus.
Severus.
Okay. Yeah, something smells good. What's that?
Nostril.
Nostril. Nostril. Nostril.
My left nostril is stuffed up.
Okay. Stuffed up. You cannot breathe.
Good lie. Here.
Savory.
Savory.
Savory. Savory. Savory.
Have a
Pleasant.
taste or smell.
Okay, pleasant means make people happy.
Having a pleasant taste or smell.
Okay.
Savory. Savory.
Adjective.
Okay, spell it.
Savory. Savory.
Okay, savory. Her nostrils drew in
Savory.
odors. Okay. Yeah, smell. What's that?
Savory.
Good.
Savory. Savory. Savory.
Yeah.
Having a pleasant taste or smell.
Okay.
Odor.
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 Okay, You can smell odor.
Odor.
Odor. Smell.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, can spell.
O-D-O-R. Odor.
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 Okay.
Other cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. The cheese has a strong odor.
Good.
Odor.
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 What's that?
Smell. Now.
Okay. Her nostrils drew in savory
Odors from the street. Video.
vendors. Okay, the people who sell things. Vendor. Okay, vendor. Yeah. Is that he's selling things? What's that?
Odor.
No.
Odor.
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 Odor. Smell.
Okay.
The cheese has a strong odor.
Okay.
Odor.
Odor.
Vendor. Okay.
Vendor.
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 Vendor. A person who tells facts, sells things, especially on the street.
Okay.
Vendor.
Vendor. A hot dog vendor.
Okay.
Vendor.
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 What's that?
Bell.
Okay, spell.
V-E-N-D-O-R. Vendor.
Okay. Like this. The vendor. Okay. Vendor. Her nostrils drew in savory odors from the street.
Vendors. Roasted. Chestnut.
Good.
Chestnut. Rocked. Baked.
Baked.
Potatoes. And off.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Stomach.
Stomach. Hour.
Crowd. I'll make it sound because she's hungry. Okay. Complain.
Complain that she had eaten nothing since breakfast at noon time.
Grissini.
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 Like Italian name. Grissini.
Grissini.
Okay, Grissini. Okay. Grissini.
Had pop his usual
Do you know that? Sausage.
sausage.
Do you like to eat sausage?
Yes.
Sausage. Yeah, sausage. What's that?
Fence. Feed.
Van.
Vendor.
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 A hot dog vendor. A person who tells sells things, especially on the street.
Sausage.
Sausage.
Sausage. Sausage.
Sausage.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
sausage.
Can I spell it?
S-A-U-S-A-G-E. Sausage.
Okay. What's this?
Sausage.
Okay. At noontime, Gracie had bought her usual
Sausage roll. She could smell the garlic.
what's that?
Yeah.
Garlic. Okay. Garlic. Yeah, garlic. Smell garlic. What's that?
Sausage.
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 Garlic.
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 Garlic. Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Okay, can I spell it?
G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic.
Okay. What's that?
Garlic.
Okay. She could smell the
Garlic. In on his breath, but she hadn't bought anything home.
she hadn't brought anything home. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
What does this example of personification
Good.
personification tell you?
Okay. Where's the personification? Yeah, that one.
It suggests that
Easy.
Lucy Rose is angry. It suggests that
Easy.
Lucy Rose didn't eat breakfast. It suggests that Lucy and Rose has a loud stomach.
Okay.
Th-
Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah. Oh,
Two.
has a noted?
I
Is
know.
that
I
is it?
Do you? This
Okay.
her stomach is growling
Yeah.
and complaining.
Growing. Okay. Let me show you. Yeah, like that. You see, the dog makes that sound. Okay. Okay. Complain.
Because she has lots eaten and many hours. So this example of
Personification.
personification suggests that
Easy.
Lucy Rose has a loud stomach.
I don't think so. Okay. I don't know.
I noticed a bright yellow and green book sitting on the top of my soccer.
JC. That is harder. Yeah, I think that kind of cool. What's that?
Garlic,
Garlic.
garlic,
Garlic.
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 Look, two.
Jersey.
Jersey,
Jersey.
Jersey,
Jersey.
Jersey,
Jersey.
Jersey,
Jersey.
Okay, I see.
A loose shirt
One.
by a member of a
Sports.
team as part of a uniform.
Okay, that's called jersey.
Jersey.
Jersey,
Jersey.
Jersey,
Jersey.
Jersey. A jersey, a football jersey.
Okay.
Jersey.
Jersey.